We have about Cengiz Chains, and Cengiz is verbally attacked by an American man. The American man thinks Cengiz is an Arab and he is acting violently towards Cengiz. Cengiz can't keep his calm and yells back aggressively, "Say that to my face, Ovid, coward, and not as you run and hide." Here Cengiz is the one who continues the conflict because he has had enough. The fact that he retrieves the iron shows us that he is ready to fight for gaining respect, and also that he is changed and become more violent.
Cengiz' reaction when he returns to Lahore was very shocking. Cengiz was terrified of he has changed that so much. He say that house has not changed in my adolescence. I had changed. I was looking about me with eyes of a foreigner, and not just any foreigner. After he returned to Lahore, he sees his hometown like he was an American man, and he is very shocked about it.
Scared.
And then another question is how Cengiz changed from chapter 8 to 9. And in chapter 8 he is still kind of considers himself as a New Yorker or American. He has his job. He's
wealthy.
He's wealthy and upper class American.
Yeah, and he thinks like an American.
He's more job fixated. Don't want to show anyone his feelings. Not to Jim, even though he's knows that Jim can see right through him.
And for him, the facade is very important, and it is important that people can see that he has money. And in this way, this is a very American way to go about things.
Yeah, to rise in the classes. And then in chapter 9, it is when he travels from Lahore, from the United States to Lahore to visit his family. And there it kind of just, he sees how American he has become, and he feels ashamed of his own behavior.
The fact that he sees his home as an alien place shows us that he is his newer eye is
his American eye.
His American eye can't live in Lahore because that is not who he is. And when he decides to grow this beard, then also it is his former eye growing out of him in a way.
It is his Pakistani-ness or something. Also, he resists to shave it when he goes back to America. That also shows that he remained Pakistani when he comes to America.
He wants to show the Americans that he still is a Pakistani.
Yes, but he is very ashamed of his own thoughts. When he comes to Lahore, he can only see the negative in the place, which have been there even when he was a kid, but he couldn't see that then, and then he becomes very ashamed. And then we should discuss the quote, which I will say. I wondered how it was that America was able to wreak such a havoc in the world, orchestrating an entire war in Afghanistan, and legitimizing, though its actions, the invasion of weaker states by more powerful ones, which India was now proposing to do in Pakistan, with so few apparent consequences at home. Yes.
So this quote states that America is the one orchestrating wars around the world, which could mean that they are the one in charge and they are controlling it, and that their actions cannot be seen at home in their own country. And the war is fought
on not American ground.
On alien ground.
Yes, on alien ground. And America, he says that he wonders how American can just tear a hole in the world and bring prejudice and all this alienness into the world again, because before they went to war and all this 9/11 happened, there were so many nationalities living in America in peace, and now it's a big hole has been teared into it.
Yeah, and
they have become distant.
They are the one controlling it.
Yeah, and they're controlling the war, and also the one they in India is proposing to do the same in Pakistan with invading and which is not good.
Cengiz is ashamed of being associated with this way of thinking, and therefore he wants to be a Pakistani again.
Yes.